Hello, my name is Rachel Spitz, and I'm the Communications Specialist at Siri. Today, we will be going over how businesses can open safely for beauty salons. So today, we'll be going over best practices in reopening procedures for small business beauty salons, how to return to work, guidelines, and other topics. Are you ready to reopen? COVID-19 has impacted every business differently. In this guide, you will receive steps your beauty salon will need to take to reopen safely. This guide is prepared by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. Steps to take: gather information and best practices, prioritize safety, make a plan, communicate, execute, be ready to adapt to any obstacles, respond and pivot your strategy accordingly. 3 questions to ask yourself before reopening your business. Some businesses are in the process of reopening, others are on hiatus, and some have reinstated restrictions. When am I ready to reopen? Is there sufficient consumer demand for my products or services at this time? Will I take in enough revenue to meet expenses while operating at a limited capacity? Do I have the personal protective equipment, PPE, my employees need to stay safe if they are in close contact with the general public and each other? Does my location allow for social distancing at least 6 feet between customers and employees? Keep in mind that you may need to review your COVID-19 response plan if the amount of transmission in your community increases or state policies change. Before opening your doors or allowing your employees to return, create a clear COVID-19 policy outlining the specific steps you'll take to protect your employees and customers. 1. Social distancing. 2. Washing hands. 3. Disinfection/ventilation. 4. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Keep in mind that you may need to review your COVID-19 response plan in the amount of transmission in your community increases or state policies change. What should my employee policies be? The CDC's interim guidance for businesses and employers responding to coronavirus disease provides useful guidelines on implementing employee policies that support your workers while reducing the risk of spreading COVID-19 in the workplace. Number 1, flexible sick leave. Make it clear that employees must stay home when they do not feel well. Number 2, workplace hygiene and safety training. Train employees on how to reduce virus transmission in the workplace. Number 3, at-risk worker support systems. Create support policies, include at-distance work options and work tasks that minimize your contact with the general public. How you can protect your staff and others to slow the spread. Create a COVID-19 workplace health and safety plan. Start by reviewing CDC interim guidance for business and employers. For number 1, evaluate the building and its mechanical and safety systems to determine if the building is ready for occupancy. Identify the hazards associated with the prolonged business closure, such as growth of mold, rodents, pets, or water problems, and take appropriate corrective action. Make sure the ventilation systems are operating properly. Increase circulation of outdoor air as much as possible by opening windows and doors and using fans if possible. Take steps to minimize the risk of Legionnaire's disease and other water-associated diseases. 3, do not open doors and windows if it poses health and/or safety risks to occupants, including children. For example, risk of falling or breathing external environmental pollutants such as carbon monoxides, molds, or pollens. Support policies include remote work options and work tasks that minimize contact with the general public. 4, take steps to ensure that all water systems, for example, sink pipes, drinking stations, and decorative water sources, and other water-using devices, for example, ice machines and cooling towers, are suitable for use after the long closing of the facility. A checklist will support the reopening of your business. Analyze the following points that will be useful. Assess your finances, review your business model, plan your staffing. 4, keep the workplace clean, for example, entrance/reception area, restrooms, kitchen/break room, delivery areas. Number 5, monitor your finances. And number 6, stay informed about COVID-19. During this critical time, it is important to pay additional attention to the health and safety of others. Client engagement and expectations to consider. Establish proper expectations prior to the appointments with clients. Have clients plan to come alone. Wash hair before their appointment. Have them wear a mask. Have them wait outside until the appointment time. Use electronic payment methods for checkout. For the reception area, remove magazines, coffee maker, water appliances for clients. Clean delicate surfaces, for example, couches, chair, etc., with water and towel. 3. Disinfect computers, phones, door handles. Back to work guidelines for beauty salons. For the reception area, 4. Clean the area of products, including shelving or display cases. 5. Reorganize the waiting area to accommodate social distancing. 6. Consider installing a protective layer in the reception area. 7. Clean air ducts and filters. Back to work guidelines for beauty salons. Hand hygiene. 1. Wash hands for 30 seconds before and after eating and interacting with your clients. 2. Use hand sanitizer. For the restroom, number 1, clean and disinfect surfaces twice a day. 2. Remove any excess products. 3. Add hand sanitizer into the bathroom. 4. Place a trash can by the door. When it comes to laundry, 1. Wash towels and capes daily. 2. Store laundry in a enclosed cabinet. Personal protective equipment, PPE. 1. Products such as gloves are single use and must be changed after each client. 2. Wash hands with soap and water after removing gloves. 3. Masks must be worn by all employees and clients. 4. Place trash can near doors. For the workstations, it is important to properly disinfect your workstation before and between client services. 1. Station counters. 2. Mirrors. 3. Styling tools, for example, your brushes, combs, rolling carts, storage containers, chairs, and more. We hope this information helps your beauty salon make the best choices possible to have a healthy environment for you, your workers, and your clients. Thank you.